Hello, my dear students. Today we will learn the basic concept of algebra, which includes definition, coefficient and variables, degree, types of expressions, like terms and unlike terms, and basic operations on algebraic expressions. So, these classes will be very much useful for students of standard 6 to 10, I think. Or I believe. Okay, before starting the lesson, I would like to compare our maths to a coconut. You may be wondering why? Because coconut, all of you know, it is very hard from outside. When it break it, inside it's sweet and very tasty. Exactly similar maths also. When you think about maths, you may be feel that it is very hard to learn, but it is not like that. When you know the core concepts, when you know the basic concept, you definitely will feel that this subject is very easy and friendly with you. Okay, let's start with the definition of algebraic expression, algebra. So here definition is given as a branch of mathematics which deals with the numbers and symbols which follow some rules. A branch of mathematics which deals some symbols and numbers following some rules. The symbols and numbers following some rules I will explain by showing an example. So listen here. Here I am drawing some triangles. How many triangles are here? All of you are very easily you can say that there are 3 triangles. That means 3 triangles. Now look at the 3 triangles. There is symbol and there is number. Such expressions in mathematics deals with the branch algebra or algebraic expression. Okay. Not only the symbol, English alphabets also. That is y plus y. How many y's? 2 y's. So it is 2y. Here number and alphabet, and these alphabets which use in this particular branch of mathematics is known as, in this section, variable. Okay, now we will learn about variable, especially again variable, coefficient, then degree, then like terms and unlike terms, basic concept in geometry, and types of algebraic expression, etc. Let's start with variable. Why variables are used in the algebra? For that, I will give an example of a question. Suppose we have to add a number with 5, and if the answer is coming as 8, then what will be the number? When we add a number with 5, the answer is 8. How to find out the number? It's very easy question. You know that the number is 3. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. But in some cases we don't know the numbers. In such cases, the unknown quantity we represent as by taking alphabets, English alphabets, and such cases the English alphabets are known as variables of the expressions. Okay, variables in algebra. So here in example, suppose a number is multiplied with 3 and we'll get the answer as 27. A number is multiplied with 3 which give the answer as 27. So let the number be x. Then what you will get? Multiplied with or multiplied by 3. 3 into x will give the answer as 27. Then this 3x equal to 27 is an algebraic expression, algebraic equation. because equal to sign is the algebraic equation. So here numbers and variables both are included. Okay. Similarly, suppose I am writing x one. Suppose I am writing, just listen here, p plus p plus p plus p, and again here I am writing p into p into p. In both sections I have taken p as the variable. Okay, but what's the difference here? In the first case I have used the operation addition, and second case I have used the operation multiplication. And what will be the answer in both cases? Let's see. Here p plus p plus p plus p. How many times p is added? Then the answer is 4 times p is added. So the answer is 4 times p or 4p. And here how many times the p, the letter p, the variable p is multiplied by itself? Then the answer is 3 times multiplied by itself, but it is not 3p written, it is written p raised to 3, p cube. And this is the difference. How many times added? That number is known as the coefficient, and how many times multiplied by itself? That number came as the degree. Here the number 4, you can see the number 4, we can say that it is the coefficient in the term 4p, and number 3 here is known as the degree of the term, degree of the variable p. Okay, now the term, I have just used the word term. And what is a term? A term is a number, a term is either a number, suppose it may be either a number 5, it can be a variable, suppose x, and it can be a product of number and variable, suppose 7p or 6pq. All are terms. Okay, these are terms. A term is nothing but a product of variable and number. In this case 7, here only number is there, but it can be considered as here a product of a variable having degree 0. And we know that in the law of indices chapter we have learned that any number raised to 0 equal to 1. Any number raised to 0 equal to 1. So here we can say that 7 into x raised to 0 is nothing but 7 itself, and it is also a term. Okay, I hope you all understood this concept. Now let me say 2 more examples. Consider the examples minus 3pqr. Minus 3pqr. This is a single term. Only one term is here because all the numbers and variables are multiplied together. But here the number minus 3, here the coefficient is minus 3 and variable part is pqr. And in another example, 2 upon 3 x square y. 2 upon 3 x square y, the coefficient is 2 upon 3 and x square y is the variable part. Okay. Now the different types of polynomial different types of algebraic expressions that are monomial. First one I will deal with the monomial. Monomial. Monomials are algebraic expression having only one term. Example 3p minus 5xy, etc. Here one term is only there. Then next, binomial, and before that the word mono denotes one, so only one term. Here binomial, binomial means the word, the letter, the words bi denotes the meaning of two. Okay, then binomial means definitely what will be there? There will be definitely two terms, and a binomial is a algebraic expression having two terms separated with either plus symbol or minus symbol. Simply saying, for your concept understanding the concept clearly, we can say that two terms separated with a plus sign or minus sign. Example, 3 plus 4y is a binomial. Next, x minus y is another binomial, but that I will explain afterwards. Now just you understand this much only. One term monomial, if there are two terms they are binomials, and if there are three terms, what will be that? Mono means single, one, bi means two, then similarly trinomial means tri, matlab three terms. Example, x plus y plus z, or it is 2 plus xy minus z. This is also an example of trinomial. And next is polynomial. The word poly, the word poly means many, having many. So polynomial means an expression having many terms. Okay, an expression having many terms, an algebraic expression having many terms is known as a polynomial, or we can say that more than three terms, we can say it as a polynomial. Understood? Okay. Now the concept of like and unlike terms. Like and unlike term. So for a better understanding the concept, I would like to say something. Consider in a excursion plot, means somewhere we are going for a picnic, 2-3 school students are there. Then definitely if there are school students, they must have a uniforms, and we can identify whether some children are from the same school or not. By how? By looking their uniform. If they are wearing the same uniform, they are from the same school. And if they are wearing different uniforms, then definitely, obviously, they will be from different schools. Exactly similar concept. Like term means terms having same variables, and unlike terms, obviously, it's opposite, having different variables. And listen here, same variables, I would like to explain one more thing, that suppose 3xy and 1 by 2 yx. 3xy and 1 by 2 yx. Here some of you may be thinking that, first case it is x and y, second case it is y and x, how it is similar looking? But it is similar, it is same. Variable part is same, because x into y is same as y into x. So 3xy and 1 by 2 yx are like terms. But if it is 3x square y and 3xy square, here comes the twist, na? Yes. Here 3x square y and 3xy square. In a one look, single look, you may be thinking that both are x and y, so definitely these are like terms, and also the coefficients are also same. But it is not like that. These two terms are unlike terms because variable parts. Power also we have to check. Here x ka power 2a degree is 2 and y degree is 1. In the second example, x ka power 1 and y power it is 2. So this is the difference. So these are not like terms, or we can say that these are unlike terms. Okay, then one next concept we can say that now you are familiar with monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial and like terms and unlike terms. Now we can say that the basic operation on algebraic expression. And before that, what are basic operation? You should know what are basic operation. Basic operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here we have to think that we have to learn that if we have to add or subtract, the should be like terms. We can add or subtract the like terms only. Okay, example I will explain. Just listen. The question is add 3x and 4x. Here both are x, like terms are there, so we can add the coefficient 3 plus 4 into x, that is equal to 7x. Similarly, we can, in the place of x, other variables are also come, means x square y, and there also x square y, something like that. But the concept is that if there are like terms, add the coefficient part and then put the variable part. And in the next case, some more examples. Add 3 plus 2y and 3 plus 2y and x plus 3y. Add 3 plus 2y and x plus 2y. So here two things, first case 2 terms are there, second case also 2 terms are there. Then we add these two together. We have to group the like terms and then add the like terms. Here 3. Constant term is 1 only. So you will write 3 plus, next x 2y is there. 2y and 3y together. 2y and 3y together. We told that previously that like terms we can add. So 2y and 3y together it will come 5y. Plus x only 1 is there. There is no group. There is no partner. There is no partner for x. So it will be like that only, x. So the answer is 3 plus 5y plus or x, or we can write as x plus 5y plus 3 anyway. Okay. Then one more example. X minus 7y and 7y plus x. X plus x minus 7y and x 7y plus x we have to add. Then what we can do first? We can do x minus 7y plus 7y plus x. We can take the like terms together. That is x and x together 2x, but minus 7y plus 7y. What will happen? 7 minus 7 0. So the term is 0. The answer is 2y. Okay. I hope you all understood this concept. Now next is multiplication. In multiplication there are multiplication of a constant with a monomial, multiplication of two monomials, multiplication of a binomial by a monomial, and multiplication of a binomial with another monomial, and so on. Many are there. A simple case I will explain here. Multiplication of a monomial by another monomial. Just example. Multiply 3xy by 2y. Simple example, 3xy with 2y. Then what it will be here? It will be, first you have to multiply the numbers. Coefficient of the terms you have to multiply. So here 3 into 2 into next variables one by one. X, only one is there, x into y into y. Y into y you can directly write, or it will be like that only. Then 3 2s are 6 multiplied by x is only one time x into y into y. In the of indices we have explained that y into y is nothing but y square. So the answer will be 6x y square. Understood? Only you have to keep in mind that when two monomials are being multiplied, first multiply the coefficient part, number you multiply together, and then multiply the variable part. Okay, this much is there in the basic concept, and thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you so much.